My name is Mike, and this is Guns and Horsepower. Thanks for joining me for today's video, where I do more maintenance on my 2010 Porsche Panamera S. Let me go ahead and show you what it is I got to do today. Yes, if you can't tell already, it's time for some new hood struts, or shocks, or stabilizers, or whatever you want to call them. But the turning point was a little while ago. I was washing the car, had my hand back here, and the hood slowly started closing, and before I could catch it, it closed and latched, and my hand was trapped back here between the hood and the fender. And I'll tell you, it makes a very tight seal. I could not pull my hand out. I had to call for help and get the hood unlatched to be able to get my hand released. So it's definitely time to replace these. Let's go ahead and get started by propping up the hood. I did plan on just using a 2x4 to prop up the hood, but I found these fancy aluminum rods that I had in the shed. They seem to fit just perfectly. There we go. Now that I got the hood propped up, let's go ahead and start changing these out. Went ahead and picked these up from FCP Euro's website. About $20 a piece, and since they offer a lifetime warranty, I figured it'd be the last time I have to buy hood struts. I'll go ahead and leave the link to the description down below. One note is there is a difference between left and right hand side. This number here, the 4076 is the left hand side, and the 172327 is the right hand side. And these are exactly the same ones as the Porsche brand. These are made by Stabless, made in Germany, and they're the exact same manufacturer as the original Porsche one, so these are identical for only about 20 bucks a piece. So it's not bad. Let's go ahead and get started on the left hand side first. Alright, I'm going to start over on the left hand side, and I recommend you start with the top connector first. There's a little metal clip in here. There's a little slot to slide your screwdriver in. Once you get that little pin out, then it'll let go of the knob here that's on the hood. Now that we loosened and removed the top connection, it gives you more movement down here to be able to get access to the clamp down here at the bottom for the other one here. Same thing, get your screwdriver in there, and then it just snaps right off. So what I'm referring to are these little metal parts right here. You just slide your screwdriver in, pull these out, and then they unhook from the balls. Same thing on the bottom end. And now to install the new one, just simply do the same procedure in reverse, but they should just snap in. Just like that. Now that we have the bottom part snapped on, we gotta just snap the top in. There we go. Definitely a lot higher than it sat before. Now that I got the new strut installed on the driver's side, it's holding the hood up just fine. I went ahead and removed my props, got them out of the way. Let's go ahead and then snap this old one off and change it out. Just as easy as that. And snap it in. Very simple job. Just simply snap them out and put the new ones in. It does hold the hood up a lot higher than before. Well, there you go. That was an easy fix this time. I got lucky. Oh, so nice. Maybe now I won't get my hands stuck in the hood anymore. That was definitely a tight fit and that hurt. Well, there you have it. There's how you change the hood struts or shocks or lift supports, whatever you want to call them, on a 2010 Porsche Panamera. Pretty much same process on any of them. They all pretty much install the same way. They have those little clips in there. Get a screwdriver behind them, releases them from the ball, you pop them off, you snap the new ones on. Real simple process. I got lucky this time. This was the only maintenance I needed to do at the moment. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Please subscribe to my channel and browse for my other content. Thanks again for watching.